Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the best IPTV player to your Firestick, which works both with M3U links as well as extreme codes. The whole setup for this IPTV player is going to be super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this great IPTV player to your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device, and now here in that search bar, start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you've got Downloader, it is not over yet. We'll still have to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we gotta go to the settings on your device. So we click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, we'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if we go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you have to go to install known apps. From here, just locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we'll have to go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. So we open it. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. Is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Hungary right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So now we go and open up Downloader, wait until the app loads for you, then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So after clicking on Home, we gotta click on the search button, and now in that search bar we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be IPTVsmarters.com. That's the IPTV player that we're going to use in that video. So once again, it's IPTV Smarters.com. So here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that, you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Now, after the website has opened, we just need to scroll it down. So keep scrolling. We'll have to find a button which allows us to download the Android version of the app. As you can see here, it says download, so we are almost there. And yep, there it is. So as you can see here, it says Android app, and we need to click on that blue download button on the left side. So we click on download, and now just wait for a couple of seconds until the download starts to your device. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. As you can see, now the download started, so just wait a bit until it's over. Then you have to click on install and wait until IPTV Smart OS Pro gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using, of course. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll have an option to actually delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then, finally, we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and there at the bottom you'll find IPTV Smart OS, which we just downloaded. Now, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it, and then press on Move to Front. This way, IPTV Smart OS is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Then finally, we gotta start up the IPTV Smart OS app. And there it is. From here, from that point, just select your device type. In my case, of course, it's going to be TV because we're using a Firestick. Click on Save. Then just scroll down the license agreement, accept it, and from here it's actually super easy to use. So if your live TV provider gave you an M3U link, in that case you would need to click on M3U playlist from here, and then add any name to your playlist and either upload it as a file or click on M3U URL, and now here at the bottom you'll find an option to enter the link. Then just click on add playlist, and the playlist is going to appear in your list. Alternatively, some providers might give you extreme codes instead of M3U links, so that option also works for us. In that case, you would just click on extreme codes. There, just add any name to the playlist and then enter a username, a password, and the link which you got from your live TV provider. Then, as previously, you click on add a playlist, and it also is going to appear in the list of playlists on your device. So I hope the guide was helpful, and see you next time. Bye bye.